In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install a mod menu here in GTA 5. Before we do get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. That being said, before we do get started, there's two versions of GTA 5 here on a PC. You're going to have the enhanced version and the legacy version. This method only works on the legacy version, so make sure you do have that installed. The good news is, if you do own the enhanced version, you automatically have access to legacy as well. And you're going to need two things for this to work. The first thing is the mod menu itself, and it's going to be completely free and allowed, but only in offline modes, meaning story mode only. Do not use this online or you will get banned. And then the second thing is you're going to need script hook v, which is required for most GTA 5 mods to work. I'll go ahead and show you how to download both of those right now. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this and search up for Menyoo 2.0 Enhanced and Legacy for GTA5mods.com. Select that first option and you can literally just search up Menyoo mod 2.0 GTA 5 and it's going to be the first thing that pops up. Select it and hit download just like so. You're going to have to hit download one more time and it's going to automatically start downloading in a zip file. You can just leave that there for now. And then from here, what you're also going to want to do is either open up a new tab or stay in the same tab and just search up script hook v and then just search up GTA 5 right after. And you could really use any of these two options, whether it's this software development one or, the GTA5mods.com one. It's really up to you. I'm just going to use software development. And then here, if you do scroll down, you're going to see the option for this right here. Essentially, just go ahead and select download, and it'll begin downloading for you, once again, in a zip folder. Once both files are downloaded, what I would recommend doing is just dragging them both onto your desktop, just like so, because they'll be a lot easier to access. And from here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up your GTA 5 legacy directory. So if you are on Steam, this is super easy, but it really is the same platform in all of them. And don't worry, I'm actually not on Steam. I'm on the Epic Games launcher. So I'll show you that method. But once again, the methods are pretty similar. Essentially, open up your launcher, go to your library, and find GTA 5. From here, either right click on it or just select the three dots and hit manage. And once you are on the manage section right here, you're going to want to go ahead and select this open install location to bring up a page that looks like this, or you can just follow the path right here depending on your platform. But once you do have this page open, put it off to the side and go back to the zip files. We're going to start with the Menyoo one. Double click this, and from here, what you're going to want to do is essentially just get this Menyoo one out just like that. And then from here for this, you just got to go ahead and see this and drag this little bin option out just like so. If you're having any issues, there's whole guides just like so attached in this, and it's super duper duper simple to go ahead and just follow that and just read through it. But essentially, you're just going to want to get these two files, go back to the GTA 5 directory, and just drag both of them in just like so, and they'll appear down at the very bottom. And then eventually they'll get kind of sorted out due to just how this is working. There is one other file though, so reopen up that Menyoo thing, and what you're going to want to do is drag in the ASI file as well, just like so. After you go ahead and do that, you're pretty much good to go. But what you're going to want to do is disable BattleEye before you even launch into your game. So go ahead and close out of this, open up that Rockstar Games launcher, and you may have to sign in again. It's kind of finicky. Every other time it makes me sign in for some reason. So yeah, I told you. When you open up that Rockstar Games launcher, go ahead and select settings, and then from here, find BattleEye and just tick this off. And then as soon as you back into this option, it's going to auto save. From here, you can launch into GTA 5 and you'll be able to play it with that mod menu. Just make sure that you launch into story mode and not online mode. And when you are in game, just press F8 on your keyboard and it'll open it up. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.